Guys, it's time to take your health seriously. Join Roswell Park and the Buffalo Sabres for their prostate cancer early detection event on November 25th. Prostate cancer checks are quick, require no prep, and early detection could save your life. Just ask my buddy Russell here.
I've been a Sabres fan my whole life, so signing up for the event at the KeyBank Center felt special. I was excited to tour the arena, meet some of the Sabres alumni, but what I didn't expect was for my screening to catch prostate cancer at an early stage. Thanks to Roswell Park's experts, I got a treatment plan right away, and today I am proud to say I am cancer-free.
If you're age 45 to 75, visit roswellpark.org/onegoal today and sign up for the Roswell Park and the Buffalo Sabres prostate cancer early detection event on Tuesday, November 25th, or call 1-800-ROSWELL.